Hello all, welcome to Genius channel. We will see some previous year maths questions today. So all of you see the 40th question shown on the screen. Read the 40th question. If sine inverse 2p by 1 plus p square minus cos inverse 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square, what is equal to? What is x equal to? Please try the question. All of you, please try. Options are p plus q by 1 plus pq, p minus q by 1 plus pq, pq by 1 plus pq, and p plus q by 1 minus pq. Please try yourself. Once you get the answer, just comment it. Are you getting the answers? For 40th question. Okay. So which formula you will use here? How can you write sine inverse 2p by 1 plus p square? Do you remember the formula? 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. That is same as cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. That is same as tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Remember this formula? If you don't know, please copy this, study that now itself. Very important formula. Often they are asking question based on this formula. 2 tan inverse x. There are three formulas for 2 tan inverse x. First one is in terms of sine inverse, that is sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. That is in terms of cos, it is cos inverse to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. In terms of tan inverse, it is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So you have to use this formula here. Apply this and give me the answers. Now it is very easy. How would you do? This part, sine inverse 2p by 1 plus p square. I can write it as 2 tan inverse p, isn't it? 2 tan inverse p. Sine inverse 2p by 1 plus p square, I can write it as 2 tan inverse p minus cos inverse 1 minus q square by 1 plus q square. How can I write? Cos inverse, this part, that is nothing but again 2 tan inverse. So 2 tan inverse q, because here it is in terms of q. Now tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, how would you write? Can you write it as 2 tan inverse x? So what do you got? 2 tan inverse p minus 2 tan inverse q is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So take 2 common from everything. So cancel all these 2. What you get? Tan inverse p minus tan inverse q is equal to tan inverse x, isn't it? So tan inverse x, tan inverse p minus tan inverse q. What is the formula? Tan inverse p minus tan inverse q. If you don't know, please by heart. What is tan inverse p minus tan inverse q? It is tan inverse p minus q by 1 plus pq. P minus q by 1 plus pq. That is equal to tan inverse x. Now see, here tan inverse, this part here tan inverse x. So what I can write? I can write x is equal to p minus q by 1 plus pq. P minus q by 1 plus pq. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. All of you got the answer, P minus Q by 1 plus PQ. Okay, now go to the next question. 41, question number 41. Please go to the question. Question number 41. Tan theta equal to 1 by 2. Tan phi equal to 1 by 3. What is the value of theta plus phi? All of you try. That is also an easy question. We are seeing tan, so try to use the formula of tan. I'll give you 1 minute for the solving. Just solve and comment your answers. Okay, did you get the answer? What is the answer for this question? See, you have to find theta plus phi. So what I'm going to do is I'm writing the formula of tan theta plus phi, because here it is tan, here it is tan. So what is the formula for tan theta plus phi? That is tan theta plus tan phi divided by 1 minus tan theta tan phi. Remember the formula? If you don't know, please by heart that now. So here tan theta, that is given as 1 by 2. Tan phi is given as 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So just solve that. So that is 3 plus 2, 5 by 6 divided by 1 minus 1 by 6, isn't it? That is again 5 by 6. You'll get the answer as 1. So what is tan theta plus phi you are getting? Tan theta plus phi is equal to 1. So we know that whose tan is 1? Tan 45. That is tan pi by 4, isn't it? So 1 I can write it as tan pi by 4. So theta plus phi equal to pi by 4. Theta plus phi is equal to pi by 4. So option is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, go to the next question. Forty-second question. Question number 42. If cos A is equal to 3 by 4, then what is the value of sine A by 2? Sine 3A by 2. Options 5 by 8, 5 by 16, 5 by 24, 7 by 32. Do this and comment the answers also. Think what you can do if you are asked A by 2, 3A by 2, etc. when you are given with cos A. Okay. Have you got the answer? Okay, give you a hint. I'll give you a hint. You can apply the formula. I'm giving the formula what to apply. This is a hint. You can use this and do this particular question. 2 sine C, sine D. If they are giving that, what is the formula? Cos C minus D minus cos C plus D. Use this formula. This is a hint for this question. I want you to try yourself. 2 sine C sine D is equal to cos C minus D minus cos C plus D. Now listen, you have to by heart the set of formulas given in the trigonometry chapter. Then only you will be able to do this question, this kind of questions. Okay, so try applying that here. So remember, whenever cos is coming, cos C minus D plus cos C plus D, or cos C minus D minus cos C plus D, and all. Here will be 2, here sine, no, next one for cos C plus C minus D plus cos C plus D, you will be having here 2 cos C cos D. So there are four formulas that you have to study like this. I will give you that, but before that, please do this. So for this, I am going to multiply a 2 here and divide a 2 here. So 1 by 2, 2 sine A by 2, sine 3A by 2. What is that? That can be written as cos A by 2 minus 3A by 2 minus cos A by 2 plus 3A by 2 using this formula. So sine C sine D. Using this, I am writing this in this format. So that is 1 by 2. Here I'll get cos A minus 3A by 2. That is minus 2A by 2. That is minus A. Cos minus A minus 4A by 2. So that is cos 2A. Isn't it? Now we know that cos minus x is nothing but cos x. If you don't know, write this. Cos minus x is cos x. Sine minus x is minus sine x. If you don't know, please write down these two formulas also. So I can write this as half cos A minus cos 2A. Now they have already given you what is cos A. Isn't it? Cos A they have already given you. Okay, so just substitute that. I'm writing the remaining part over here. Is equal to half cos A minus, replace this cos 2 also, cos 2A also. What is the formula for cos 2x? 2 cos square x minus 1. That is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. By heart these two formulas if you don't know. So I am replacing this cos 2A as 2 cos square A minus 1. So that is 1 by 2 cos A minus 2 cos square A plus 1. So that is 1 by 2. Cos A is 3 by 4 minus 2 into 3 by 4 square is 9 by 16 plus 1. Now it's just solving. Just solve it. 1 by 2 into, this will become, when I multiply 2 to the side, 6 minus 9, that is minus 3 by 8 plus 1. So that is minus 3 by 8 means 8 minus 3, 5, 5 by 8. 1 by 2 into 5 by 8, that is 5 by 16. Answer is option B, 5 by 16. 5 by 16. Okay, so that is the answer for this question. Now let's go to the next question. So before that, I'll just give you that set of formulas that I told you to by heart. You have to by heart that set of formulas also. So what are the equations we have used here, that also I'll be discussing. So I'll just show those formulas in the whiteboard. Please see that. And these formulas you have to by heart anyway. Very useful formulas. Cos, right, 2 cos x cos y equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. 2 minus 2 sin x sin y is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. 2 cos x sin y is equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. I had the set of formulas. See, cos, then it is cos plus cos. Sin, then it is cos minus cos. Then sin cos plus cosine minus. Remember this formula, very useful. Then I am also giving you the formula for sin 2x cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to, already we wrote that in the last question, cos square x minus sin square x. That is again equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Again equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Again equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. By heart this. Next is sin 2x, that is equal to 2 sin x cos x, and 1 in terms of tan also, 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Then by heart the formula for tan 2x also, tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square. That is nothing but divide sin x by cos x. So you will reach here. So by heart this. Very useful formulas. You have to by heart this. Surely you have to by heart this. You will get at least 2 questions from this set of formulas in your ND exam. Okay. So by heart this formulas, we'll see in another video with some more previous year questions. Thank you.